Alright, now let's move on to multiplying polynomials and monomials. So instead of adding, we're going to multiply them. So let's say, for example, we have 8x times 6x plus 6. Alright, now we have parentheses here. So what we can do is we can distribute. So multiply this by this, multiply 8x by 6. Right? So what is 8x times 6x? So what we first do is we multiply the coefficients. So 8 times 6 is 48. Then we multiply the variables. Now we know that this is x to the 1 and this is also x to the 1. So when you're multiplying variables, what you do is with the powers, you actually just add the numbers. So it's just x to the 1 plus times x to the 1 is going to be 1 plus 1. So it's going to be x 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Alright, and then let's multiply this out. 8x times 6 is going to be 6 times 8 is 48. And then we just bring over the x. It's as simple as that. Let's try a little bit more, something more involved. Let's try 2k cubed times 2k squared plus 5k minus 4. Alright, so we have to distribute these out. Alright, so 2 times 2 is going to be 4. Then k cubed times k2 is going to be k to the 5th power because we add 3 plus 2. Okay, then we focus on this times 5k. So 2k cubed times 5k. So that's going to be 2 times 5, which is 10. Then it's going to be k cubed times k. So it's going to be 3 plus 1, right? Because k to the 1. So 3 plus 1 is k to the 4th power. Then we times 2k cubed times negative 4. So this is going to mean 2 times negative 4, which is negative 8. And then just k cubed. Let's try one more. Let's try 9v squared times u squared plus uv minus 5v squared. So like always, we're just going to distribute out. So even though they don't have like terms, you can still multiply them together. So 9v squared times u squared is just going to be 9. And then all we do is just copy the terms. So 9u squared v squared. So you can actually multiply them out. It's okay. Plus, so 9v squared times u times v is going to be 9u. Now we can combine the v's together, right? This is v to the 1. So this is going to be v squared. Alright, times v to the 1 is going to be 2 plus 1, which is going to be v cubed. Okay, minus, alright, 9 times 5 is 45. Okay, now we can combine these v's, right? So v squared times v squared is 2 plus 2, so it's going to be v to the 4th power.